Welcome to Jamaica Cottage Shop, where we design and craft post and beam garden buildings, sheds, cottages, tiny houses, and more. We've been in business since 1995, offering a wide variety of do-it-yourself building plans, pre-cut building kits, and fully assembled buildings. Our business name is derived from a small town in southern Vermont where we first started operating. Jamaica is a small, rural town off of Route 100 in southern Vermont, located in what is referred to locally as the Golden Triangle. Beautiful area located smack dab in the middle between three ski areas, Stratton, Magic, Bromley Mountains. In 2004, we moved our operation 2 miles north into the old Smith's Mill in South Londonderry. Here we've continued to expand, sending our designs and our kits all over the country and all over the world. All of our post and beam sheds and cottages are crafted with native lumber. The trees are grown and harvested right here in New England and sawn at local sawmills. We use rough sawn hemlock in all of our framing and kiln-dried eastern white pine for all of our siding and trim. We get a delivery every few days or so. The wood is stored in our big woodshed, but not for long. When an order comes in for a new building, the first thing that happens is the wood is pulled from our inventory and taken into our programmable saw. Each of our cottage designs specifies exactly what is needed for lumber and how many pieces, lengths, and angles. Every detail is programmed into the saw. We feed the proper size timber into the saw, and out comes the parts needed to build the shed. If a building is to be shipped out as a kit, the next step after cutting the lumber is to gather all the components into a shippable package. First, each piece of cut lumber is carefully measured and checked for accuracy. Then it's color-coded by part number to make putting it together easy. Other components, such as roofing, fastening hardware, windows and doors are gathered together from our parts area and added to the package. After being checked, all of the components, along with detailed assembly instructions, are efficiently packaged and securely fastened onto a large delivery pallet. The package is then weighed, wrapped, and labeled. It is ready to ship out on one of our delivery trailers. If you prefer, we can have that building sent to you fully assembled. In these cases, one of our skilled craftsmen will assemble the building here at the factory, and we can ship that to you in one piece. For more information about Jamaica Cottage Shop, go to our website, JamaicaCottageshop.com. Jamaica Cottage Shop. Build it right, build it for life.